Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows cannot communication with the device or resources primary DNS server. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more update. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that in the search box type ncpa.cpl and open a control panel items. Select an internet adapter which you use to connect to your internet. Right click, go to your properties. After that, first of all, select the internet protocol version 4 and click on properties, and make sure that obtain and IP addresses automatically, and also obtain DNS server addresses automatically. Click on OK button, select the internet protocol version 6, click on properties, and make sure that obtain and IP v6 addresses automatically, and as well as obtain DNS server addresses automatically. Click on OK and close it. After that, close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening a command, first of all type a ipconfig space slash flash DNS and press enter. Sorry, type a command is ipconfig space slash flash DNS. After doing this, type a command is ipconfig space slash register DNS. After that, type a command is ipconfig space slash release. After that, type a command is ipconfig space slash renew. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is netsh space ip sorry netsh space int space ip space reset. After that, type a command is netsh space winsock reset. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.